Hey guys, welcome to the Daily Social. This podcast is to help you grow your podcasting channel, your YouTube channel, or any other channel that you may have. And we give you tips and tricks on what to do and how to grow them and how to gain subscribers for your specific niche or talent. Hey guys, welcome back to episode 10. Now, in episode 10, we're going to be talking about improving your craft. Now, improving your craft means whether it be in sports, whether it be in podcasting, whether it be on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatever it is, you're going to have to improve it better. You could have had the best tools for the job, but if you didn't, basically what I mean by that is if you have the best tools for social media but you don't know nothing about social media, you've lost. Like, you're not there, you're not in the social media field. It's all about getting your mind right and thinking about where you're going in the next 10 to 20 years from now. So a quote that I have here for you guys is, "My success is predicated on the dirt." Now, in the last 5 to 7 years, I've been fascinated by a lot of people who haven't been putting in the work, and I'm wondering why. The reason why is that they aren't active on social media and podcasting as they would like to, and that is the reason why they aren't engaging with their audience. So that is the main reason why they aren't growing. And if you're not engaging with your audience on social media, on podcasting, on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, you're not gonna grow. So if you want to be successful, you gotta put in the work. You gotta get down and dirty with it. And it's all about learning the craft, manufacturing it, making it better, and getting to where you want to be within 10 to 20 years, or maybe 5 to 10. So it's all about getting where you want to be. Alright, so if you guys enjoyed this podcast, make sure to subscribe to us on Apple Podcasts, leave a review on Apple Podcasts, and subscribe. I just want to thank you guys for listening, and we will see you guys in the next episode. Hey guys, thanks for listening to the Daily Social. Make sure to subscribe to the Daily Social on Apple Podcasts or wherever our podcast is available. Thanks guys.